I wake up in the morning and decide to make a cup of coffee. I count my coffee beans one by one. 하나, 둘, 셋. 1, 2, 3. It feels fun to count like this. I pour water into my mug. 넷, 다섯, 4, 5. I smile at how numbers help organize small tasks. While preparing breakfast, I count the slices of bread. 여섯, 일곱, 6, 7. Little things like these make mornings peaceful. I set the table. 여덟, 아홉, 8, 9. I place 10 utensils carefully. 열, 10. Counting makes me feel accomplished. Later, I meet a friend at the park. I ask, 몇 개예요? How many are there? Counting objects together is simple and fun. While inviting friends, 몇 명이에요? How many people? It helps me plan snacks and seating. Check in the time. 몇 시예요? What time is it? Numbers guide my daily schedule. I meet a younger cousin. 몇 살이에요? How old are you? It's friendly and polite to ask using numbers. At the market, I ask, 얼마예요? How much is it? Numbers are everywhere, helping me buy things and budget easily. Finally, I sit down with a cup of tea, thinking about the day, counting objects, people, time, and age. Made everything feel organized and calm. Numbers are small, but they make life smoother.